Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You begin by confirming the essentials. Same Apple ID, Wi-Fi, Bluetooth, and handoff active. Once done, open System Settings on your Mac and go to Displays. Make sure Universal Control is checked. On the iPad, open Settings General AirPlay and Handoff and allow cursor and keyboard. Now position the iPad relative to your Mac screen, left or right, so the cursor has a clear path. This first step gets both devices talking and primes them for pairing and control. Once the basics are active, you continue by initiating the connection. Move the Mac cursor to the edge of the screen toward the iPad. When the iPad appears, a connection banner will show. Keep pushing the cursor across to complete the link. Make sure to open Display's Preferences and drag the iPad thumbnail to match its physical placement. This alignment ensures smooth pointer travel. You can now use the Mac keyboard on the iPad and drag files or text between screens for seamless workflow. To finish, customize pointer speed and keyboard preferences so the experience feels natural. Tweak these in System Settings and Accessibility. Test dragging a photo or text to confirm transfers are instantaneous. If something goes wrong, first toggle Bluetooth and Wi-Fi on both devices, then sign out and back into your Apple ID if needed. If the cursor won't cross, recheck screen arrangement and handoff settings. With these final steps, you'll have a reliable universal control.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.